Hi friends, today we are going to learn the usage of is our examples. 1. This boy is very tall. 2. Marian is a very pretty girl. 3. The children are playing in the garden. 4. Richard is playing with Robert in the park. 5. I am reading a very interesting book. 6. Peter and John are in the kitchen. 7. What is your brother doing? 8. He is not doing anything. 9. What is your little sister doing? 10. Alice is eating a piece of bread. 11. What are you doing now? 12. I am not doing anything. 13. All the boys are playing football. 14. What are the girls doing? 15. The girls are talking in the playground. 16. The big house is on the corner. 17. The policeman is standing near the house. 18. The window is closed. 19. Mr. Brown is not at home today. 20. Mr. Perez is working at the bank. 21. The little girl is playing with her doll in the sitting room. 22. Mrs. Smith is a very nice woman. 23. The children are at school at this moment. 24. The Evans are watching a film on TV. 25. All the windows are open. 26. Where are the children? They are in the park. 27. This book is old. It is an old book. 28. This girl is tall. She is a very tall girl. 29. These men are strong. They are very strong men. 30. Those boys are sitting on the grass. 31. My brother is standing, he is writing on the blackboard. 32. These children are very good. They are very good children. 33. The white table in the garden is broken. 34. Paris is the capital of France. 35. Madrid is in the center of Spain. 36. Washington is the capital of the United States. 37. New York, it is not in the center of the USA. 38. Carmen is studying English in England. 39. Her brother is studying in the United States. 40. My cousin is an artist and he is in Paris. Thank you, friends.